Hello guys, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. I'm back again with another beautiful video. So guys, if this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you know that you're watching me right now and you haven't subscribed yet already, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button on your screen. If you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I'll be uploading a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in today. I love you guys. Like, I'm so happy right now. You can actually tell with the expression on my face. I'm very happy. I'm super excited. Okay, so the main reason why I'm happy, I just got the product I ordered online yesterday and I'm very happy. So I decided to share with you guys what the product does and how it works on the skin. So I have these two products here with me. I have them with me. Like, this is like a game changer. This is like, you know, this is a life changer. These two products, hey, alone, you don't know what's going on. See, this is called dodovate. Let me try to, I don't know, I'm using my front camera. I don't know, this thing might just turn upside down. I don't know. So this is called dodovate lightning cream. Okay, so as you guys can see, I got like a carton of it, full carton. So few days ago I saw somebody doing a review about this lotion on YouTube. I watch videos, so the way people watch me, the way people are watching me right now, that's how I also watch videos on YouTube. So don't get me wrong. So I was going through some videos on YouTube. I came across somebody doing a review about this particular product and I saw the thumbnail. It was written olaybact. As you guys know, I did a review about olaybact tube some months back, or about a year ago, and I got that particular tube because of the reviews I watched on YouTube. I decided to buy the tube and it was so good. I think about yesterday I got a comment concerning that particular video I did on my YouTube channel I think a year ago. Somebody commented that she tried the recipe and it really worked wonders. It works on her skin. So if you can still check that video, just check it and read the comment. You will see the comment there. So that particular product was so good. I never expected the result that I got from it. So when I saw that this product is from olaybact, I decided to buy it and give it a try. So I tried it. I only bought one of this and then one of this. That was the only thing I did, just to give it a try and see how it will work on my skin. So I tried it. I used it to formulate body lotion for a client, and guys, honestly, it was so good on her skin. The remaining one, I also have to try it on myself, okay, to see how it will work, and it did wonders. Like, these two products are super great, guys. If you are the person that formulate products, you sell organic products, or you sell promised products, however, just try to get these two products. It should be in your recipe, because this is going to turn your recipe, like your product is going to give it extra strength, and these two products is going to give you like upgraded products. Honestly, this particular product is good for eczema. This one here, this is called dodovate lightning cream. This works within 7 days. If you can incorporate this tube into your body lotion, just use it for like 1 week, you will see the difference. Honestly, this particular one is super effective when it comes to lightening. Very good. It helps to get reactions. It helps to get eczema, dark spot. Very important when it comes to dark spot. It works for dark spot. It works for discoloration. It works for hyperpigmentation, and also it helps repair the skin. Okay, and also you can use this lotion for your reaction cream or your repair cream. Just incorporate it to your repair cream and you will get a very beautiful result, honestly. And this product right here is super affordable. It's something you can afford. Just buy it and use it to promise your lotion. So this particular lotion is super good. For me to buy the full pack, you guys should know that, man, I'm not joking. Like, I have to buy it because you guys know I promise products, I sell products, I make from scratch. So when I see products like this that work wonders, I don't play with it. I just go ahead and buy it. Okay, so I got the carton of it. I'll leave the number on the screen where you guys can get this tube. Okay, it's very affordable. It's not expensive at all. Try to buy it. Like olaybact, they always have a way of bringing out new product, like new effective product. I don't know how they do it, but the product they always, you know, bring out, guys, honestly, they are trying. They are really trying. So this is the dodovate. This is how it looks like. It has about 10 in a pack. Yeah, 10 in a pack. So you can just buy the pack. Very affordable. I'll leave their contact on the screen so you can, you know, contact them and get yours from them. And then the second product is called Miracle. You see this Miracle skin, this particular product can work for a lot of things. It can work for eczema, like those men that have this reaction on their hair, back of their head. These products can work wonders. Like bumps, it can work very well. Like I'm telling you guys, because it's something that I've experienced. Like I'm not joking around. These products can work for hair reaction, can work for eczema, can work for bumps, can help repair the skin. It works against a dark spot. If you have dark spot on your skin, incorporate this product into your face cream. Yeah, like your treatment face cream. This will definitely work on your skin. Okay, super good, very great, very effective, very affordable. So do not miss out on this. Okay, so another thing I'll be doing for you guys, I will leave a number on the screen. Okay, you will get it directly from their company. This is not like you buying fake or you buying outside or you buying something that is not working. You will get this directly from their company. Yes, you get it directly from their company. For the first olaybact I got, I'm still using olaybact tube till date. Okay, when I'm promising some products, I always incorporate olaybact tube into it, and I still buy it and it's still working. So these particular ones are also products that I've tried and they really work. Okay, so try your best to get these products for treatment. Okay, if you have customers that always complain about dark spots, that always complain about skin reaction, that always complain about white dots, pigmentation, discoloration, try to buy this particular product and incorporate it into your product, and you will see how that your product will be effective. Okay, so please guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys and bye.